Okay, here we are with Uhadiat Allawn 1 by Baggerhead. I played Uhadiat Allawn 2 not so long ago. I'm not even going to attempt to say or even think about what language that was. Someone tell me what language that was in the comments, please. I'm sure there's at least 3 people still watching. So, I'm sorry for the late upload. I had a lot of stuff to do today. Mainly, recording for my fan-made continuation of the Cookie Virus. But yeah, that's like it. And therapy. Yay. So, yeah. Already as much as I am, let's hop straight into this. Please leave a like and the subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter. So, pretty dark. Up, down, up, down. Sorry. Obligatory. We got regular 20 dudes. Alright, let's put B1 up there. Oh, hey. This guy is dead in the second one. Huh? How does this make sense? Why are there just chains here? Hi. Stay out of my damn house. Hi. Are you okay? Are you are you dead? Are you gonna scream at me? Please don't scream at me. Brother got a little slice of life. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay? Why did the door guy disappear twice? It was pretty nice. Pretty interesting beats. Considering we have chains.mp4, a door, and a guy getting a slice of life. Um, I made that joke twice already. Is it getting old yet? Okay, effect one. Oh, I give them clean 7 out of 10. I think chains will go good with you. What do you think? He blinked at me. Oh, that made tears prick at the corner of my eyes. Hey, it's Tree again. That's me raking. That's me ranking, raking. Can I speak today? Probably not. Raking the grass when I'm over at my parents' house. I put the tree on accident, but the tree actually goes hard. Not you. I actually kind of like this. It's like, it's giving walking through the halls of Indonesia Dark Descent. Okay, what is this? Bye. He he moved. Is it too late for me to quit? He freaking teleported. Mm-mm. You stop that. You stop that, mister. Bad boy. Stop that. I'm gonna rip out every individual hair. Okay. I actually like those. Those are like atmospheric. That's a big word, even for me. Well, all words are big words for me, considering I have trouble trying to speak. Okay, very nice. Very nice. Mm, 8 out of 10. It's too late for this. Can I go back to sleep? Oh, hey. You were in the second one. Black goop. Hello? Ooh, wait. Hold on. The tree and the record. Ooh. Bro, it's so giving amnesia, it's not even funny. What do you have to say? Goopy Legrand. Bye, I guess. Oh, hello. What happened to you? You're the guy that gets a slice of life up there. I made that joke too many times. I see why this had to be on itch, but not not that No, this. This. Not you. Put the chains up there. Nah, 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 okay. 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 I'll give them 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7. Carl, I need help. It's not nice words to say. Whatever you selling, I ain't buying, yo. Is that you, Carl?
You idiot, Allawn. You idiot, Allawn.
Carl, this sounds like you.
You idiot, Allawn.
You idiot Allawn, is that what you're saying?
You idiot, Allawn.
You idiot Allawn.
You idiot, Allawn.
I
You
said so
idiot,
wrong.
Allawn.
Is that your girlfriend? So what, is this his body and like this is his head? What happens? You have something to say? You're just gonna stand there. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like the way it hurts. Put this little scraggly up there. Um, him, you. The tree as well. Um, maybe that dude as well. I might be cooking or I might be cooked. Da, da, da. Okay, okay. Let's put all these together so I can rank you.
You idiot, Allawn. You idiot, Allawn. You idiot, Allawn. You idiot, Allawn.
Gave me the hiccups. Oh, you gave me the hiccups, Carl. What's your girlfriend's name? Of course, her name's Carlita. Let's be honest. Okay. So that was Uhadiat Allawn. Uhadiat Allawn. That's how you said. I'm sorry. Please keep Carlita away from me. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter at thestopper8. Join the Discord. Link is in the description. You can recommend me Incredibox mods in the comments. I take all recommendations that aren't on Cochrea. If they're Cochrea only, I'm sorry. My Cochrea doesn't work on my laptop. I'm very sorry. What's going on? Is this what a microphone is? Does it sound like I'm slapping y'all? I'm sorry. No, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And, I think I said it already. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.